Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Dindi. So for the introduction, we're going to open up on an A major 7, and then we're going to move this shape down 2 frets to G major 7. We're going to come back up to A major 7. We're going to go back down to G major 7, and then we're going to move this shape down 1 more fret to F sharp major 7. D sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and then a C sharp 7 with a flat 9. And we're going to repeat that again. A major 7, G major 7, A major 7, G major 7, F sharp major 7, D sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, C sharp 7 with a flat 9. That's going to bring us to the main part of the song, where again we have an A major 7 down to a G major 7. I'm going to go back up to an A major 7, and then E minor 7 to an A7 to a D major 7 like this. I prefer this voicing. And then I'm going to call this a D minor major 7, but I'm going to keep a G in the bass. And then I'm going to go to an open position A major 7 and back to G major 7. Now we're going to do almost all of that again. A major 7, G major 7, A major 7, E minor 7, A7, D major 7, D minor major 7 over G to A major 7. And now we're going to move into the B section. I've got a D sharp minor 7 flat 5 to a G sharp 7 with a flat 9 on top if we want. We don't have to. And then I just go to a C sharp minor. And then I have an A minor 6. Back to the C sharp minor, back to the A minor 6, and then I do a C sharp minor 7, down to an F sharp 7. If we want to put the flat 9 on top again, we can, but we don't have to. And that's going to take us to B minor, G minor 6, back to B minor, G minor 6, B minor 7, to an E7 with a flat 9, and this is going to take us back to the final A section. A major 7, G major 7, A major 7, E minor 7, A dominant, D major 7, D minor major 7 over G, and then A major 7 and a G major 7. And then a really common thing to do to end the song is just to go back and forth between A major 7 and G major 7. So nice and slow, it should sound like this. Do it again. If this lesson's been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving me a like. I really appreciate it.